I will demonstrate how to create structure code that will define a structure person with three members: name, age, and height. It can creates an instance of this structure called person 1, assigns values to its members, and prints out those values. So let's start. Include IOStream using namespace std and that using namespace std. And at the bottom of it, we will type a code that defines the structure, and this is a structure person, string, int, age, and float height. And the bottom is curly bracket, and another is int name person, person one name. Person 1 name is equals to the age, and person 1 is her height, let's say 6.2, and count is equals to, this is an object of our stream which is used to display output on the console. And the insertion is operator is used to insert data into output stream, and the endl is manipulator that insert a new line. So let's return 0 and curly bracket to end, and let's see if it's running. So it's nag-run.